Hello YouTubes. This will be my first video on this channel, and really I just wanted to use this channel as a way for myself to review stocks daily stock reviews for my swing trading. Yes, I'll mainly be doing swing trading as because my schedule doesn't allow me to do day trading. I prefer day trading, but swing trading is the next best thing. I'm still learning. I'm still pretty new. I've been trading and learning for about a year now, and I really want to take this seriously and try to have this just as like rest of my life type of thing, just constantly learning, because I definitely see the potential and really want to just try to take advantage of what this market has to offer. Like I said, I'm going to be using this for not day trading, I wish, for swing trading because of my busy schedule. But, so yeah, I actually don't expect anyone to find this. It's mainly for myself, but if anyone does and they find value, great. That'd be great. But yeah, mainly it's for me to just have easy access to it so I could review, so I could sort of look back onto what I was thinking about each stock and in the future, and see how my thoughts at that time played out. Instead of looking at the history of charts and sort of thinking, oh, I should have done that, I should have done this, I could keep track of what I was thinking and how it played out, and really just learn from that. So the reason why I call this channel the Trading Checklist is because I have my own trading checklist, and I want to use this channel to sort of supplement that. And the first thing on my list is to review filled orders for the day. Well, today I didn't fill any orders, but I do have an open position. Let's look at that. So yeah, let's get started. So QUAD. What I saw on the weekly chart is this downtrend to a break of trend, and it's forming this pennant, which could be a sign of a reversal. It's such a beautiful pattern right here. Perfect triangle, perfect pennant. Up, down, bouncing off these trend lines. So I bought it exactly where these hammers are, exactly where that trend line hit, expecting it to go back up to at least this trend line. And so far it's holding. It was up here and then went down here, but I'm gonna keep holding because it's still holding the pattern. Set my stop loss under these tails of these hammer candles, and I'm just gonna let it play out. I don't have any other open positions, so I'm okay with my stop and my sell limit right here. So I'm gonna just look at my watch list and see what's next. ADT, I was actually watching this before. It was trading in this channel, and I saw it right here. The problem I have is trying to find the best time to buy these stocks. I probably could have bought it at this bottom, risking this trend line right here. Let me change that. Let's see. Let's make that a solid line. There we go. Probably could have bought this right here where it started having support right here. Maybe buy over this high. Set a buy stop at this high. Let it ride up, but I missed it. So I'm trying to figure out a better time to. Trying to figure out like the best time to buy stocks when I see patterns like this. But yeah, it validated my thought, and maybe I could expect it to find resistance here. We'll see. I'm gonna just keep that on my watch list, see how it plays out. And yeah, the reason why I like it, when I first found it, was this downtrend to this accumulation phase, this break of trend, and maybe starting a reversal. So that'd be nice. KPTI, I'm actually in this on my Robinhood account. Yeah, I'm not in it too big though, but maybe I do plan on adding if it goes in my favor. So what I saw here, downtrend on the weekly chart, uptrend, and it's following this trend pattern right here, this trend line, sorry. And sort of, I'm waiting for it to break this trend line right here. I should really make these solid lines. It's kind of confusing. Let me change that. So this default. Style, solid. There you go. So I really bought it at this candle, I think. Expecting it to go up. If it goes up, I'll probably buy more. If it goes down here, I'm gonna sell it for a loss. I think I actually set it down here pretty tight, so that's good. Just gonna keep watching that one. RVCN. This is another one that I should have bought, should have acted on. Downtrend, signs of reversal. Saw it right here. Should have placed a buy stop right here, and that big volume on that big candle on volume. So that's, it might actually continue, but it's kind of chasing it at this point. If I do want to get in this, I want to see it consolidate around this area, especially because there's resistance right here, and this is where the 200 sorry, I think that's a 180 SMM line right there. So showing signs of an uptrend. I'll wait for it for confirmation. We'll see. OFG. This one, it's been trending for the past 2 years. Every time it dips, it goes back up. Right here, it's showing this pennant formation, and it finally broke it 2 days ago, or technically on Friday last week, because today's Monday, but it really hasn't shown any movement. Volume is average. Because there's no strong volume or movement, I'm expecting it to go back down. If I see it hold this trend line as support, I'll buy it. Or maybe wait a little bit longer, wait for it to curl back up, and then I'll buy it. Place buy stops above the highs of these candles at support. So that's probably not going to happen anytime soon. I'll just wait on that. These are just other stocks that I haven't really had time to filter through. OSTK. Support right here. Potential to go up here, but I don't want to touch this. I remember at this point where it dropped significantly, there was news of a change of CEO, and that's always bad news in terms of stock price anyways. FOMX. Let's see. Oh yeah, I wanted to use this as sort of my immediate watch list, ones that I want to act on right away. So I'll keep that. ADNT. I'll add it to this one. ADNT. Delete that. RVNC. Yeah, I'll add it to here too. RVNC. OSTK, I really don't want to mess with. OFG, oh yeah, that's one I want to sort of look at every day. This one, it's on a downtrend. I don't know if I can consider this a sign of reversal. The volume's increasing at that time. When would be a good time to buy it though? Is my risk to reward good here? If I buy it up here, stop loss down here, potential for here. No, I think there's better opportunities out there. I'm actually not even gonna bother with that. Trucks, let's see. Signs of bottoming out here, but there's this constant rejection of this trend line. Perhaps if it breaks it, I'll buy it. We'll see. I'll keep it for now. CDNA. Signs of... Oh, okay. Starting a downtrend. I expect it to hold at this slow SMA line once it gets there. So yeah, I'm not gonna bother with that right now. ADNT. Oh, that's the one I looked at earlier. That's in the channel. CLF. Let's see. Downtrend. It broke past this support and found new one here. Potential for profit? Not much. I'm gonna take this off my list. HUYA. HUYA. Alright. Ooh, this one seems pretty good. It's trading in channel. And this channel, let's look at this volume. It's kind of hard to see. I want to get a bigger picture of this on the daily. It's too squished. Could sort of do it like that. See support right there. It's already finding signs of an uptrend. If I put a buy stop here, potential to right here. It's not bad. I'll think about it. HUYA. HUYA. I'll put another space above that. Okay. RVNC. Already talked about that. MTSI. Ooh, barely signs of uptrend. It sort of dipped right here. Yeah, it dipped right here, and if it gets past this resistance line, it'll probably keep going. At what point do I want to buy it though? Do I want to buy it at that break of resistance, or should I be preemptive about it and buy it around here? There's a possibility to dip down further. I'm not sure why I drew this line. It's confusing me. I'm gonna delete that. We'll see how it plays out. MTSI. That's something I want to look at in the next coming days. MTSI. Aqua. Uptrend. Dipped right here. Potential for profit. I feel like this. I don't know. It's kind of risky. Right here, support becomes previous support becomes resistance, and it's already like at that top. If I had bought it here, that would be great. Write it up all the way here, but I didn't see that. Now I'm seeing it down here. Potential for profit, not really good. I'm not gonna touch that. But the reason for these videos is so I could see what actually happens. I could look back on this maybe like 2 weeks from now and see what actually happened. CZZ. Constant uptrend. Wow. That's great. Close to new highs actually. The best time to have bought it would be the break of this line right here. I'm gonna just leave it in this column or this section. Maybe wait for another dip. APAM. Ooh. this is trading in another channel. Oh yeah, for anyone wondering, never mind. I'll explain it another time if anyone asks. But again, I don't expect anyone to find this, so I know what it is. So I don't see a point of talking about it right now. What these mean and why it looks different than this. But anyways, I see this is trading in sort of a channel. Current support seems to be about right there. I could probably buy it. Use this as a stop loss and then ride it up all the way here. I like that. APAM. APAM. Oops. I already talked about this. I'm also taking this time to clean up my my list of stocks. Uptrend. Down. Dipped. Potentially dip more. Maybe bounce off this slow SMA. I'll wait. Not gonna act on that. RVNC. Oh yeah, I already talked about that. OFG. Talked about that too. Okay, here are ETFs that I'm following. JNUG. Showing downtrend. Showing signs of downtrend, which means JADST should be going up. Because it's the inverse of JNUG. I'm trying to find a good time to buy this. What I'm seeing with this stock, this is the 60-minute chart. Let me change it to a 4-hour chart. What I'm seeing here is sort of a pennant formation. I could see it going back up just a little bit, like how this happened. And this could be the signs of it first doing that. So I'm thinking it needs to break this trend line first. Let's delete this. It needs to break this upper trend line first for it to go further. I like how it dipped here though, and it's going up. We'll see if it follows that. I'm not too confident in how this will play out yet. That's kind of consistent with what I see with JNUG, but we'll see. We'll see. You guys. Maybe it's showing signs of reversal. It's around this support area where this accumulation took place before an uptrend. The inverse could expect to go down, or it could actually go up. Looking at this one, I'm not really sure. Just gonna hold on that. Just watch it. Just keep watching it. Did I look at this stock yet? Showing signs of uptrend. Oh yeah, I did. I want to wait for this. Okay. So that's it for these stocks, which I had picked out previously. I have a bigger list of stocks that aren't in any particular order, which I can go through real quickly. Want to wait for this to dip. Showing signs of reversal, but want to wait for it to dip. It could probably go down. There's resistance at this slow SMA. Gonna wait. LASR. No signs of an uptrend yet. We'll wait on that. Assault. Signs of an uptrend. Sort of at the peak of this upper channel. I would wait for it to dip first. SALT. I'll just add that to my weekly watch list. PGNX. Can't really say where it is on this channel. Not sure where it's gonna go. Next, PYX. Downtrending, don't want to touch that. CENX. Showing some signs of bottoming out. Could probably place a buy stop up here, but I don't know when that would happen. I can't expect that to happen anytime soon. It's been like this for days, and it can keep going like that. I'd rather place my money where there's more volatility. So, gonna skip out on that for now. I'll just come look at it some other time. Ooh, STNG. Huge move from here to there on this uptrend, breaking this previous high. I would want to see it dip down probably to this level where these others dip. Other lows have gone, where these EMA lines are at. So I'm just gonna wait on that. BPFH. Wow, this is a nice channel. And yeah, I'm gonna keep watching this one. It's above the slow SMA. It's sort of hanging out in that area. I just want to see how it reacts. I'm gonna put it on here so I don't forget about it. BPFH. KLIC. On that upper channel, want to see it dip down. Okay, hold on. Kind of seems pretty consistent with that. Let's see. Yeah, it's following this trend line pretty nicely. Let's wait till it goes down here. KLIC. Add it to this week watch list. KLIC. And if anyone asks, I could talk about this too, but again, I don't expect anyone to find this and wonder. OSTK. Oh yeah, I don't want to touch that. BFF. Signs of an uptrend. I should keep this on my weekly watch list. Might show an opportunity, and I don't want to miss it. PGNX, QTT. Ooh, this broke this channel. I don't know if I would buy this if it shows signs of an uptrend, but right now, nah, I don't want to. Aqua. Oh yeah, I talked about this already. Previous support, previous resistance, becomes resistance, I mean. I want to wait for this one to dip. OFG. Broke out, but I don't know what's going to happen there yet. CDNA. SIMPO. Downtrend. MTSI. Ooh, this is interesting. PZH. Uptrend. Broke this resistance. Now it's at this level. Sort of dipped already. I could buy the high of this. it is reaching this area where it hasn't been so clear. I don't know what to expect of this yet. Looking on the weekly, it's been uptrending for a while. It could go down. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Here's an idea. I could buy right here, buy stop, and have a really tight stop loss down here. See if it goes up. If not, then I lose money. But that's fine, right? Because the risk to reward ratio, reward to risk, is pretty good. It's been uptrending, so I could sort of expect it to go back up. I'll add it to here. See my thoughts. TPVG. Okay. I'm just gonna sort of close this video out. I don't want to make it too long. I'm just gonna do a conclusion of these stocks that I picked out for today that I might act on tomorrow. So HUYA, HUYA, sort of making this pivot here on this bottom side of the channel. Probably place a buy stop up there, stop loss down here, ride it up here. That's pretty good. It's not bad. So APAM, same thing. Probably buy it right down here, stop loss below this support line. Target around this resistance area. I'll wait till how it reacts first and then place an order. TPVG. I just talked about this idea for placing a really tight stop right here, and then a buy stop right here. Not sure yet. KPTI, on watch for a break of this pattern. I'm already in it, like I said, in my Robinhood account, but I want to see confirmation first before adding to my position. RVNC, I missed this move, but there is potential for another opportunity, so that's why I kept it on this list. It's starting to break this trend, and if it could break these highs, especially because of this slow SMA, it's about to cross this 50 SMA. That's a pretty good sign of reversal, so keeping that in mind. MTSI, yeah, I just want to see a break of this resistance line. We'll see. And OFG, it already broke, expecting it to go down, and hopefully bounces here. If it does, I'll buy it. So yeah, I guess that's the end of this video. I'll try to be consistent with this. I can't promise that I will, but again, this is just part of learning. And a way for me to sort of be disciplined about stock trading and constantly learning how this works. So yeah, thanks.